Here are some of the biggest green flag questions that you should ask if you want to buy a home in the next year. We just got LaCroix's in my office, and this is my 11th in 2 days. Number one, can I shop around for rates without hurting my credit score? The answer is yes. You can actually pull your credit with multiple different lenders within 45 days of that initial pull. The credit bureaus will make sure that it only counts as one pull, and they actually encourage doing this. So don't feel like that you have to go with the first person that you talk to, because now you can use this to compare offers. The other thing that you can do is ask your lender for a soft credit pull instead of a hard credit pull. That'll give them everything they need to know to get you pre-approved, and it's not going to hurt your credit. Number two, what factors determine my interest rate? The biggest factor by far is what your credit score is. So you want to make sure you get that in line before you try and buy a house. And then the second is the percentage of the home value that you're putting down as your down payment. That one doesn't matter as much, but those are the two big ones. What a lot of especially first-time home buyers ask is they say, hey, I have X amount of dollars in the bank, or I make X dollars per year, and they think that's going to help them get a lower rate. But for the majority of loan products, it doesn't really matter. Number three, when do I lock in an interest rate? So interest rates are going to move, sometimes really drastically, between the time that you first start looking at a house and the time that you're ready to close. And you can lock your interest rate for up to 180 days. The thing is, it is super expensive to do that, so the vast majority of people do 30. And you'll typically lock that in once you go under contract on a house. Number four, will my payment ever go up? If you have a fixed rate loan, your principal and interest are never going to change. However, your taxes and insurance and your HOA can.